Oh, hello everyone. How are you? How is your week? And we are having a third experiment called magic balloon. That will be so good. And right now we have test tube, funnel, spatula, balloon, baking soda, vinegar, and measuring cylinder and storing stick. And we'll have magic balloon. First we need 50 ml of vinegar. Let's open this. Oh, it just opened. And let me pour this. Oh no, it's sticky. Too heavy. Wait, I have an idea.
A few hours later.
Now we have 15 ml of vinegar. Now we'll pour this into the test tube. Wait. Oh. So funny sound. Wait. Oh, there's nothing. I thought it's something else. Okay. Wait. Now we have 15 ml of vinegar. Now we need balloon and wait. Let me put this on. Whoa. Oh. Okay, let me keep this. Yeah. This. Wait, let me open the cap. And not yet. And now we have 1 scoop of baking soda. Oop. Now we have 1 scoop of baking soda. Now it's here, and let's take out it slowly. Out. Let it still be dry like here. Okay. Now we need parent to use this balloon over here. Now I use the help of my parent. Now I lift this up. Oh! Wait, who blew this balloon? Oh no. Oh no. It's coming out. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's so good. Wow. Experiment number 3. I hope you like it.